Good morning everyone. The today's topic is the high-pass RC circuit as a differentiator. Here the HPRC circuit will act as a differentiator circuit when it satisfies the condition as RC is far less than T. Okay, this is the circuit of HPRC circuit. For this HPRC circuit, if you give a pulse input or a square wave input, the output will be like this. See here. This is the input signal I am giving. You can give anything, the pulse or a square wave. Here I am giving a square wave. 0, T1, T2. This is the total time period of T. This is peak to peak amplitude of V volts. Okay, then the output waveform will represent like this. Up to T1 it will be represented like this. It will get a fast, it resembles like a spikes. Okay, like this it will resembles. This is the output waveform. 0, this is the time period T1, T2, and this is the total time period T. This is the output waveform. Okay, this is input waveform. This condition will appear when RC is far less than T. Here the RC is nothing but the product of the components used in the circuit, that is resistor and capacitor, and the T is nothing but the total time period of the input signal pulse width. Okay, if the time constant is the smaller than the time constant is, here we can say that the time constant, that is nothing but the RC, the time constant RC is smaller than the time period of the input signal. Time period of input signal, that is T. In the above figure we can see if that is in the input waveform the total pulse width is T. Then HPRC will act as a differentiator. This is the condition for the HPRC circuit will act as a differentiator. Okay, that means from this we can know that when the time period is large, okay, when time period is large, the frequency is small. When a low frequency signal is applied to the HPRC circuit, the reactance of the capacitor will be very large compared to the resistor. So most of the input voltage will be appear across the capacitor. There is no voltage drop across resistor, very small. Okay, from this we can write the input equation as follows. We can write the input equation. V input equal to the IC, the voltage across capacitor plus voltage across the resistor, where the voltage across the capacitor is nothing but V input equal to IC integral of I of t into dt plus the voltage across the resistor is I into R when the current flows I here. Okay, so now this is the input equation, whereas the output V output equal to R into I, which is very small, so we can neglect this voltage. So therefore the V input voltage almost present across the voltage across the capacitor. So the V input equal to V input of T equal to, we can write it as V input of T equal to 1 by C integral of I of t into dt. Okay, the V input of T equal to 1 by C, okay, 1 by RC integral of V naught into dt, where I equal to V naught by R. Since we know V naught equal to I into R, no? So we can represent like this. I equal to V naught by R. So in place of I am substituting V naught by R. So the R is constant, so I am taking out an integral of V naught by dt. Okay. So here the V input of t equal to 1 by RC integral of V naught into dt. Okay. So now differentiate on both sides in order to get the output. So in order to get the output voltage, differentiate on both sides. Now it will be represented like this. Now differentiate on both sides. Now differentiate on both sides. We will get as, we represented as dV input of t by dt equal to 1 by RC. Differentiation and integration will get cancels and V naught. Okay. Then it is represented as V naught equal to 1 by RC integral dV input by dt. Oh, sorry. So that V output equal to RC into dV input by dt. From this equation we can note that the output is the differentiation of the input voltage. So the output waveform is a differentiation of the input voltage, then that HPRC circuit will act as a differentiator. That is, the output is directly proportional to the differentiation of the input signal. From above equation, we can understand that output is proportional to differentiation of input signal. Okay, this is about the differentiation, how the HPRC circuit will act as a differentiator, and the condition is RC is far less than T. Okay, the major applications of the differentiation are, it is used as a trigger circuit for a multi-vibrator and also triggering for a flip-flop. Okay, thank you.